That concludes the final inspection.
Are secure and seats checked.
Power stabilization at 90%.
It's engaged. Gear extended.
Hydraulics.
Advanced laser identification, these robotic arms ensure every aircraft component meets strict quality standards. Stream looks anomalous. Rerunning the diagnostic cycle on that module. See if it clears.
And complete on this section. Looks good. Moving to the next frame.
Alignment check on fuselage 4.
Copy that. Maintaining stabilization at sector Gamma 6. Moving to final assembly point.
Down 5 centimeters. Steady now. Watch the alignment on section 3.
Locked in place. Securing clamps.
Scan on section 3 is complete.
Confirmed. Data matches tolerances.
Guidance confirms alignment is green. Initiate locking sequence.
Locking sequence confirmed.
Installation appears nominal. Agreed. The automated system is holding tolerance perfectly.
Check the tension on linkage group 4.
Showing green across the board, ready for the next sequence.
Easy left. Hold it there. Right side clear.
Look at this fluctuation on the schematic here. Is that within the acceptable threshold for the new parameters?
Look at the stress reading on frame 72. It's an anomaly.
I see it. Rerunning the diagnostic sequence now.
All right, bring it down. Watch your clearance on the left.
Steady now. Easy.
Looks good. Set it down. Watch the alignment on the left side. Yeah.
Counts now. Hold steady. Secured. Engaging the locks.
Pressure on the oxygen lanyard connection point.
Reading nominal. Seals look intact.
All right, sign it off.
Panels are secure and seats checked.
Affirmative. Lighting and safety equipment confirmed operational. Checklist updated.
Power stabilization at 90%. Looking good.
Confirmed. We are green for full system engagement.
Kicking off the full avionics sweep now.
Copy that. Monitoring telemetry. Systems are stabilizing. Looks good across the board.
Flaps reached full extension. Initiating retraction now.
Readings confirmed. Rudder test sequence initiated and stabilizing.
Engaged. Gear extending.
Down and locked. Cycle complete. Recording data now.
Pressure stabilizing on screen 3.
Yes, the fluctuations are normalizing.
Good, let's maintain this sequence for another cycle.
Hold the lift right there. I want a closer look at that seam near the flap actuator.
Roger. Lift stopping.
The test results look good. Are we clear to sign off on the compliance logs?
Yes, all parameters are met. I'll initiate the approval sequence now.
All green on hydraulics.
Roger. Towing alignment confirmed. Proceeding past the line.
Bravo. Report status on Section 3. Section 3 is green, moving to the landing gear.
Guidance and navigation systems fully approved.
Power and propulsion systems nominal. We are go for launch.
That concludes the final inspection report.
Excellent work. The aircraft is ready for delivery.